You just handed over $380 for a jar of Vaseline, which is exactly what happened. The brand that sold it to you is counting your money while you are counting your wrinkles. The global luxury skincare market crossed the $26 billion mark in 2025. This figure does not represent a guess or a cynical hunch, but rather a reality that cosmetic chemists, ingredient researchers, and board-certified dermatologists have pointed out for years. We are identifying 3 luxury anti-aging creams you should put back on the shelf immediately, alongside 3 options that are backed by real, published science and are genuinely worth your money. There are no vague opinions here, as we focus solely on ingredients, peer-reviewed studies, and clear, documented facts. We can examine the most famous offender in the history of modern skincare. La Mer's Crème de la Mer runs about $380 for a standard jar. To justify that price, the brand sells a story about a proprietary broth made from sea kelp. They claim this kelp was fermented while being exposed to specific light and sound waves for months on end, which sounds like something out of a science fiction script. A NASA physicist named Max Huber supposedly created it to heal his own skin after a lab accident, and that well-known backstory sells nearly 1 million jars every single year. A jar of fermented sea kelp should not cost more than a flight to a Parisian spa, and consumers should evaluate this pricing carefully. We should perform the one action the marketing team hopes you never do, which is to flip the jar over and read the ingredients. Algae extract is the first ingredient, followed by mineral oil, petrolatum, and glycerin. These are the top 4 components making up the bulk of the product. Those exact same 4 ingredients sit inside a blue tin of Nivea Crème that you can purchase for about $10 at any local pharmacy. The formulas are functionally near identical in terms of what they actually do to the surface of your skin. There are 0 independent, double-blind clinical studies published in any reputable medical journal proving that this specific broth reverses aging better than that cheap tin. You are paying a 3,700% markup for heavy mineral oil that traps moisture by coating the skin's surface. It does not rebuild your collagen, nor does it penetrate the deeper layers where real structural aging happens. It performs the exact same function as basic petroleum jelly, even though the marketing campaign behind it remains incredibly clever. Next is La Prairie's Skin Caviar Luxe Cream, which costs $595 per jar. The brand positions this as a premium lifting treatment infused with caviar extract to tighten and firm your skin. It arrives in packaging that is heavy and beautiful, making the disposal of the empty box feel wrong. Caviar sounds expensive, rich, and scientific. However, that heavy cobalt blue jar does not actually firm your jawline, as it primarily serves to increase the brand's profit margins. Cosmetic industry analysis puts the raw material cost of those ingredients at under $5. Caviar extract itself is primarily composed of simple proteins and lipids that bind water to the surface of the skin, which represents basic hydration. This is completely ordinary, surface-level moisture. It does not reach the deeper dermis where collagen production and real structural aging occur. Although there are some limited peer-reviewed studies showing caviar extract can support skin elasticity and reduce wrinkle-causing enzymes, they still do not justify a $595 price tag. You are paying for the story, the weight of the jar in your hand, and the prestige of placing it on your bathroom shelf for guests to see. Your skin does not read the label, nor does it care about prestige, especially when you could achieve better firming results from clinically proven peptide serums at a fraction of that price. The brand remains silent on sharing any concrete clinical data. Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream is the 3rd product on our list, and calling it out is difficult because the brand has a very loyal following. It costs around $100 for a 50 milliliter jar, and the brand promotes a proprietary blend of 8 ingredients that promises to plump, smooth, and alter your complexion immediately. This promise resembles a fairy tale more than an actual medical treatment. The main ingredients are glycerin, shea butter, rosehip oil, and hyaluronic acid, which are solid moisturizers. However, there are no retinoids in this formula, and the vitamin C included is a mild, stable derivative. There are no peptides at the concentrations that research supports for actual anti-aging activity, and there is nothing in this jar that dermatological science shows affects the actual structural aging process in the skin. What this cream does well is create a temporary, dewy, pillowy glow that makes your makeup sit beautifully on top of it, serving as an effective prep step. A $16 tube of Embryolisse Lait Crème produces the exact same makeup-ready base effect, which represents an $84 difference for the same primer result. Neither product actually treats your aging, and that pricing gap remains very difficult to defend. Having analyzed those products, we can focus on the positive options. A small number of premium skincare products do justify their price, and the difference between those products and the three we just examined comes down to a single word, which is proof. SkinBetter Science launched AlphaRet Overnight Cream in 2016, and it changed how dermatologists talk about retinoids. Retinoids are the most clinically validated anti-aging ingredient category in existence, with evidence for their effectiveness going back decades. The historical problem has always been that retinoids can irritate sensitive skin, leading to redness, peeling, and raw, irritated patches that last for weeks. Many people try retinoids and abandon them completely because the experience is too harsh. AlphaRet addressed this problem at the molecular level. The formula chemically bonds a retinoid directly to lactic acid, creating a new molecule called ethyl-lactyl retinoate. As your skin processes this compound, the retinoid is released gradually over several hours, resulting in prescription-strength anti-aging activity delivered slowly enough that the irritation is minimal. Board-certified dermatologists recommend this product because patients actually stick with it rather than quitting after 2 weeks. At $135 to $150, it has earned over 30 industry awards since its launch, with a published mechanism and documented results. This is what a price tag worth paying looks like, as it delivers clear improvements without the typical peeling. SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic costs around $180 and has been the most referenced serum in clinical dermatology for 2 full decades. It came from the research of founding scientist Dr. Sheldon Pennell, who released it in 2005 after years of research into why topical vitamin C kept failing in real-world use. The primary failure point was stability. Vitamin C is one of the only topical antioxidants with clear clinical evidence for brightening hyperpigmentation and shielding skin from UV-related damage, but it oxidizes very fast when exposed to air and light. It turns brown and becomes completely inactive before it can even absorb into your skin, which is exactly where most cheap vitamin C serums fail. Pennell's breakthrough was a specific, precise combination of 15% L-ascorbic acid, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid, all held at a pH below 3.5. That ratio stabilizes the vitamin C and improves its absorption into the skin. SkinCeuticals held a patent on that specific formulation for 20 years, and although that patent expired in 2025, competitors still face a significant challenge in replicating the manufacturing process exactly at scale. This difficulty is why the original still leads the market. Dozens of peer-reviewed publications and clinical trials back this technology, establishing 2 decades of evidence that cannot be ignored, which is a level of data that most brands never bother to produce. SkinMedica TNS Advanced Plus Serum at around $295 is an option where skincare science becomes highly detailed and the biology justifies the investment. Growth factors are proteins your skin produces naturally to instruct cells to repair damage and generate fresh collagen. Young skin produces these signals constantly, But as you age, that output drops off rapidly, meaning your skin loses the instructions it needs to rebuild itself. Many growth factor creams on the market use bioengineered or human-derived versions, but plant growth factors cannot actually bind to human skin cell receptors. The molecular language does not match, which is the biological equivalent of sending a repair crew that speaks a completely different language to a construction site, making plant-derived signals ineffective for human skin. SkinMedica uses human-derived growth factors which bind to the correct receptors and deliver real repair signals. Published double-blind clinical trials, which are the kind with control groups and measurable outcomes, show visible improvement in sagging and coarse wrinkles within 12 weeks of use. This time frame is documented, controlled, and measurable, which is what justifies a premium, since nothing else compares to the cellular communication happening here. The separation between the products in both groups comes down to a clear distinction of whether published, independent clinical evidence exists proving this specific formula produces specific results in real people. For La Mer, La Prairie, and Charlotte Tilbury, that clinical evidence is absent, while for AlphaRet, CE Ferulic, and TNS Advanced Plus, the supporting data is clear. The luxury skincare industry runs on a single, cynical assumption about consumers, believing that you think a high price automatically signals high quality. It does not. A $595 jar and an exotic ingredient story can coexist with zero clinical backing. Brands invest millions in advertising because the dream of younger-looking skin converts into purchases reliably. And they know most consumers never flip the jar over to check the formulation details. This lack of transparency is possible because of a wide regulatory gap. In most regions, the government does not require anti-aging cosmetics to prove they work before they hit the shelves. As long as a brand does not claim to cure a disease, they can say a cream visibly firms or alters the skin without showing a single scrap of data to a regulator. They rely on romanticized ingredient stories to avoid drawing attention to the fact that their $500 cream is mostly mineral oil, which is a regulatory gap that leaves consumers wasting hard-earned money on unproven formulations every year. Flipping the jar over is the only action you need to take. If the top ingredients are mineral oil and petrolatum, with nothing proven further down the list, you should walk away, regardless of whose name is on the front. If a product cites patented molecules, references published peer-reviewed studies, and earns recommendations from dermatologists who can point to the raw data, that product has earned your attention. The luxury industry is built on your insecurity rather than your biology, as your skin responds to chemistry instead of a romantic backstory written in a corporate boardroom. Luxury is a feeling, but science is a result. So you should choose the science and leave the story on the shelf.